So hello guys, you might think I am just a rapido rider, but behind this helmet I am working as a software developer. So I do rapido for my have free time. So why I have started this channel, I will tell you. When I go to ride, I will meet so many people. Some of them are a content creator.
ಲೇ ಬರ ಇದೆ ಇವರಿಬ್ಬರನ್ನ ಎಲ್ಲೋ ನೋಡಿದ್ದೀನಲ್ಲ
ನಾ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತೀನ. Some of them are content creators, some of them are business owners, and some of them are from investors, and some of them are finding investors, and some of them are job seekers. So that's why I took this idea to bring those people in one frame. So this is my first vlog. If you want to know the real stories behind the helmet, so follow my content. Recently I met one person. He's from Accenture. He's working as a HR in there. So he's searching for employees. Like there is a vacancy going on there. So that's why taking all those concepts, it took to my mind. I will start this channel and let join the community together. So this is the content of my video. This is my first vlog. Day by day I will upload all the details and what are the real stories behind the helmet.
ಈ ತರ ಒಂದು ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರೇ ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ವಲ್ಲಣ್ಣ.